I see these all over the world. Teachers teaching phonics. An S, it says S. And look, there's a picture of a snake to prompt us to remember. When you see an S, it says S. Imagine instead if resources could allow children to listen for sounds, all the English speech sounds, and then look up the representations of those speech sounds, the spelling choices according to the sounds, like a dictionary that we look up for words. We could look it up for sounds. So like the sound shh, shh. Look at all the choices. Ch. Look at all the spelling choices. The schwa, the e. Look at all the choices. The r, the o, the je, the e. Look at all of the choices, and imagine if you had this on your wall instead, so children could think, what's the sound, the English speech sound? What are the choices? And they could investigate this. So by just learning the monsters, which 2 and 3 year olds learn them really quickly, just by learning the monsters, all they're really doing is learning something that represents a sound. It's not linked with a letter until it's in a word. It's a sound. That's the phonetic symbol for shh. That means ch. That means That means r. That means je. So all the phonetic symbols, we don't need children to learn these funny squiggles. O. We just want them to learn that that represents the sound, the speech sound. So there's shh. So whenever you're spelling a word, shh, they could look it up. Or what are all the spelling choices for shh? Here they are. And it means that when they're reading and spelling, they're not going to have a shock. It shh or is so much easier. So when you see resources that say S says S, well, it depends on the word. Often it doesn't. And this is why we can fail so many children when we're teaching phonics. So teaching phonics is great, but the way you teach it really matters. Let's think a speech to print approach. All the sounds, how can they be represented? That's what you need on your speech sound wall.